Greetings of the day. I, Chavi Gupta, welcome you all in today's session. I have given you a worksheet that is for motion. So I will discuss the answer over here. The first question is, what is the numerical ratio of average velocity to average speed? आपको रेशो बतानी है एवरेज वेलोसिटी टू एवरेज स्पीड की ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट व्हेन इट इज़ मूविंग अलोंग अ स्ट्रेट पाथ. जब वो एक स्ट्रेट पाथ में मूव कर रहे हैं देन उसमें एवरेज वेलोसिटी और एवरेज स्पीड की क्या रेशो की, दैट इज़ 1:1 बिकॉज velocity is displacement upon my time and speed is total distance upon my total time travel. When it is moving in a straight path, that means both the things are same, so that's why it is 1:1. Now the displacement time graph of a body is parallel to time axis. आपका displacement time graph है this one, so it is parallel to time axis. Now what will we infer about the velocity? That means the body is not moving. We have told you that when the object is at rest, only the time is moving but there is no change in position, so it is known as stationary motion, or you can say that the object is at rest or at stationary one. Define, next question is, define uniform circular motion. What is circular motion? Is the motion of a body moving with a constant speed. ऐसा मोशन जिसमें बॉडी कांस्टेंट स्पीड से मूव कर रहा है बट अलोंग अ सर्कुलर पाथ, it is known as uniform circular motion. Is the uniform circular motion an accelerated motion? Uniform circular motion accelerated motion है. Acceleration is change in velocity upon my time taken and velocity is change in position. So that means when there is a change in position, there will be a change in acceleration. Okay, and we know that in a uniform circular motion, there is always a change in direction of the object. So when there is a change in direction of the object, so there will be an change in velocity, and when there is change in velocity, it is known as acceleration. Therefore, a object is moving in a circular motion has always been a uniformly accelerated motion, or you can say that it is under an accelerated motion. And next part is, an artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius this one. Speed you have to calculate. If it takes 24 hours to revolve around the earth के अराउंड रिवॉल्व हो, आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंग स्पीड निकालनी है. यू नो दैट रेडियस इज 42250 किलोमीटर, दैट मीन्स 42,250 किलोमीटर. You know that in the velocity under uniform circular motion we have the formula 2 pi r upon my t, and 2 pi r is your circumference of circle. So first we will calculate the circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into 42250, that means radius of the satellite, radius of the circular orbit. Now you will calculate the displacement over there, that is 26,000, that will be your this much. Now next is time is 24 hours. So what is the velocity? Displacement upon time. You put the values of displacement upon time and you will get the answer as this one. So velocity of time is this one. Next, an object is moving along a straight line. एक ऑब्जेक्ट एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में मूव कर रहा है विद यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन, यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन के साथ मूव कर रहा है. द फॉलोइंग टेबल गिव्स यू द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. आपको वेलोसिटी दे रहा है यहाँ पे और टाइम भी दे रहा है. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज दैट यू हैव टू प्लॉट द ग्राफ. नाउ फर्स्ट 0 पे 2, 0 velocity is 2. You put the time on the x-axis and velocity on the y-axis. Now 0 पे we have a reading of 2. We mark this 2. Now 1 पे 4. 1 is to 4. Now 2 is to 6. 3 is to 8. 4 is to 10. 5 is to 12. 6 is to 14. And then we draw a line joining the points. Now from the graph, find the velocity of the object at the end of 2.5 seconds. This is 2 and this is 3. Find the midpoint is this one. When at 3 it is 8 and 2 is 6. So midpoint will be 7. Sorry, the velocity will be 7. That means velocity is 7 meter per second. Now next is calculate the acceleration. What is the acceleration? Is change in position, change in velocity upon my time. Velocity is v minus u upon my t. Now v is your 14, u is your 2, and time is your 6 seconds. So put it and you will get the value as 2 meter per second. Calculate the distance covered in the last 4 seconds. Last 4 seconds में कितना distance cover किया है? Now last 4 seconds is, that is area under the graph. This is your area under the graph. Fine. Now एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम ए बी सी डी, एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम ए बी सी डी, लास्ट 4 सेकेंड्स कौन से होंगे आपके? आप 0 एंड 1 2 तो आप कैंसिल आउट कर देंगे. देन 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. दिस इज लास्ट 4 seconds. सो ए बी सी डी. नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम इज हाफ बेस हाफ sum of parallel sides into में height. Parallel sides is your AB and BC. That is, एक सेकेंड, sum of parallel sides ना, sorry, AD and BC. Now AD plus BC is and into में CD. Fine. AD is your 6 and BC is your 14. Then plus it and then multiply. You will get the answer as 40 meter per 40 meter. Sorry, this is the distance. And please plot the graph on the graph paper. Now next, study the speed time graph of the car below. आपको ये speed time graph दे रखा है, आपको उसका ग्राफ पढ़ के क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने हैं. What type of motion is represented by OA? This is your graph first. Find speed and time graph. This is your plotting of the graph. Now आपसे पूछा गया है 0 O से A. OA कैसा मोशन है? You see that at it is a straight line uniformly increasing. That means it is uniformly accelerated motion. Why it is accelerated? Because this is a graph of speed and time. This is the graph of speed and time. Okay. Now find the acceleration from B to C. B to C में कैसी acceleration है? Uniformly retarding motion. And moreover that is acceleration find करने के लिए बोला गया था. मैंने आपको आंसर दिया है what type of motion it is. So when you have to find the acceleration from B to C, what you will do, that the initial velocity is your 60 at B and final velocity is your 0. That means V minus U, time is 60, 80 minus 60, that is 20. So 0 minus 60 upon में 20, that is minus 30 meter per second. That is meter per second square is your acceleration from B to C. Minus 30 meter per second square is acceleration from B to C, and the motion is uniformly retarding motion. Now calculate the distance covered by the body from A to B. कितना distance cover किया A to B ने? Speed and time. Now speed is your 60 and time is 60 minus 20, that is 40 seconds. And we know the formula of speed is distance upon time. When we interchange the value, we will get distance equals to speed into time. 60 into 40 is 2400 meter is the distance. Now next question is, a car is moving on a straight road. आपकी कार एक स्ट्रेट रोड पे मूव करे विद यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन. द टेबल दे रखी है आपको. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग इज ड्रॉ द स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ. आपको स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ बनाना है. दैट इज 10 0 to 0 पे 5, 10 पे 10, then 20 पे 15, then 30 पे 20, then 40 पे 25, and then 50 पे 30. Okay, now you have plot the graph, draw, match the line, joining the points. Okay, now here you can see that the 2 points are not on the line. Fine. Now next part is find the acceleration of the car. आपको acceleration निकालनी है. acceleration क्या होता है? slope of the graph. In speed time graph, you know that acceleration is the slope. Now, so what is acceleration over here is slope of the graph. And what is the slope of the graph? This is your final velocity. This is your initial velocity. Fine. That is 15 minus 10 upon 20 minus 10. Now you can see that आपको यहाँ पे 15 minus 10 दिया हुआ है. That was all because हमने सिर्फ इन दो केस को कंसिडर किया है. आप जो भी केस कंसिडर करोगे वहाँ पे आपको टाइम पर, दिस इज यूनिफॉर्म मोशन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सो यू कैन सी इस ग्राफ में भी इस पार्ट में आप जो भी दो वैल्यूज़ लोगे आपका हमेशा सेम आएगा आंसर. सो दिस इज़ योर 15, दिस इज़ योर 15, देन 10, 15 minus 10 upon में 20 upon 10. Okay, so you will put the values and you will get your answer is 0.5 meter per second. Now question number 7, a racing car has an acceleration of 4 meter per second square. 4 meter per second की acceleration है. डिस्टेंस निकालना है आपको इन टाइम 20 seconds आफ्टर द स्टार्ट. आफ्टर द स्टार्ट मीन्स दैट द इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज 0. So you will put the values in second equation of motion, because second equation of motion states that s equals to ut plus half at square. Okay, so you will put the values. U is 0, time is 20, that will come out to 0. Now half at square, a is your 4 and t is your 20. 20 का square is 400 and 400 into 4 upon में 2. So it will cancel out. 4 upon 2 is 2. So 400 into 2 is 800. That will become 800 meter is your answer. Now next question is, a girl running a race accelerates at 2.5 meter per second square. एक गर्ल है जिसकी एक्सेलरेशन 2.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर है फॉर द फर्स्ट 4 seconds ऑफ द रेस. फॉर द फर्स्ट 4 seconds इज द टाइम पीरियड. हाउ फार डिड शी ट्रैवल इन दिस टाइम. कितना डिस्टेंस में ट्रैवल किया. देखो here u is 0. वाई कि द फर्स्ट 4 seconds की बात की गई है. ना फर्स्ट 4 सेकंड मीन्स कि यहाँ पे आपको कोई इनिशियल वेलोसिटी नहीं दी. दैट मीन्स वहाँ पे इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 है आपकी. So u is 0, a is 2.5 meter per second square, time is 4 seconds. So what is the distance? That we will use the equation of motion, that is second equation of motion, s equals to ut plus half at square. Put the values, you will get as 20 meter is the distance. Now next question is, a truck running at 90 kilometer per hour is brought to rest. Now see, a truck running at 90 kilometer per hour means रनिंग कितनी स्पीड पे कर रहा है 90 किलोमीटर. दैट विल बी योर u. नाउ कम्स टू रेस्ट मीन्स v इज 0 एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 25 मीटर. दिस इज योर s. कैलकुलेट द रिटार्डेशन. वाई इट इज रिटार्डेशन? बिकॉज इट कम्स टू रेस्ट. नाउ एंड द टाइम फॉर विच द ब्रेक्स आर अप्लाइड. एंड आपको टाइम पीरियड निकालना है यहाँ पे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट यू विल कन्वर्ट दिस 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर इंटू मीटर पर second. That will come out to be 90 into 1000 upon 3600. When you solve this, you will get 25 meter per second. Now first part is that you have to calculate the acceleration, and you know that by third equation of motion, v square minus u square equals to 2as. So put the values over there. V is 0, u is 25 and equals to a equals to 2as. आपको acceleration निकालना है. Fine. This is 0 minus 625 equals to 2as is 25 into 2 is 50. Now solve this, we will get a 625 upon 50, that is 12.5. And here we have a minus sign. Here we have a minus sign that will indicate that acceleration is minus 12.5 meter square per second square. This minus indicates that it is retarding. Now if you write retardation, don't put a minus sign over here. If you write acceleration equals to minus 12.5 meter per second, so that means it is retarding. Either use minus, either use retarding word. Now next is time period is asked. So v equals to u plus at. First equation of motion you can use, and then there you will put the values at v equals to 0, u equals to 25, a is your minus 12.5 into t. Solve the value, solve, and you will get time equals to 2 seconds. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 इज, अ साइक्लिस्ट ड्राइविंग एट 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. आपकी एक साइक्लिस्ट है, वो ड्राइव करे 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड पे. वेलोसिटी कितनी है 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड ओवर अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 50 मीटर. डिस्टेंस कितना है 50 मीटर का. नाउ कैलकुलेट. नाउ ड्राइविंग कितनी की स्पीड पे थी 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. दैट इज योर u. वेलोसिटी कितना है 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. डिस्टेंस कितना है 50 मीटर. एक्सेलरेशन निकालनी है आपको. सिंपल. हेयर वी डोंट हैव अ टाइम, so we will use the third equation of motion, and from there we will get the acceleration first. Fine. How? V square minus u square equals to 2as. Put the values and you will get a as 0.75 meter per second square. Now you will get the acceleration. Next part is time you have to calculate. So put first equation of motion, v equals to u plus at. Put the values and you will get the answer as 6.67 seconds. Now see, v equals to u plus at. U is your u is your 5, v is your 10. 10 minus 5 plus 0.75 into में t. You will solve it, you will get the answer as 6.67 second. Now next question is, a motorbike running at 90 km per hour. कितनी की स्पीड से रन कर रहा है 90 km per hour. That means it is your u. You will convert it into meter per second. Slow it down to 54 km per hour by the application of brakes. अब आपने ब्रेक्स लगाई तो आपकी वेलोसिटी कम हो गई एंड कितनी हुई 54 किलोमीटर पर आवर. दैट मीन्स दिस इज योर v. Now you will convert this 54 kilometer per hour into meter per seconds. Now over a distance of 40 meter, distance is your 40 meter. Now you have to calculate the total time. Time निकालना है आपको. Before that, you will first calculate your acceleration. Okay. Now here we have v square minus u square equals to 2as. You will put the values and you will get a is minus 5 meter per second square. Now case आपके पास नेक्स्ट क्या है, आपको टाइम निकालना था. सो यू विल पुट द वैल्यूज एंड यू विल गेट द टाइम एज 5 seconds. Now see how acceleration is 5 meter per second square. Now when acceleration is 5 meter per second square, put it in equations of motion, that is v equals to u plus at. So there you will get as t equals to 5 seconds. Here we have two cases. First case is that the velocity reduced to 54 kilometer. Okay, this is the first case where you get the acceleration as minus 5 meter per second square. The second case says that your velocity is 0. आपने क्या किया, velocity 0 कर दी बिकॉज वहाँ पे ब्रेक्स अप्लाई किए, तो आपने उस केस में डिस्टेंस निकाल लिया. ओके, आपने दोनों ही केस का डिस्टेंस निकाला है. एक केस में डिस्टेंस आपको गिवन है और एक केस में आपने डिस्टेंस निकाला है. बिकॉज वहाँ पे बोला गया है इफ़ द ब्रेक्स आर अप्लाइड विद सेम फोर्स, अगर आपने सेम फोर्स से ब्रेक्स अप्लाई करिए देन आपको निकालना है टोटल टाइम टेकन इन विच बाइक कम्स टू रेस्ट. जब आपकी वेलोसिटी बिल्कुल ज़ीरो हो रही है तब आपको वहाँ पे टोटल टाइम निकालना है. तो फर्स्ट केस में जब आपकी वेलोसिटी कम हुई थी वहाँ से आपने क्या निकाला, एक्सेलरेशन. सेकेंड केस में जब आपने वेलोसिटी बिल्कुल ही ज़ीरो कर दिया है बिकॉज इट कम्स टू रेस्ट, देन आपने वहाँ पे निकाला उसने कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया. इसी डिस्टेंस में उसने क्या निकाला, 62.5 मीटर. नाउ आपने जब थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन अप्लाई की, यू विल गेट v इक्वल्स टू यू प्लस ए टी. आपने अप्लाई किया, हेयर u इज़ 25 एंड v इज़ 0 बिकॉज आपने ब्रेक्स अप्लाई कर दिया एंड वेलोसिटी 0 हो गई है. तो टाइम पीरियड इज 5 seconds. फाइन, दिस इज द डिस्टेंस, दैट इज टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय द बाइक. Now, a bus decreases its speed from 80 km to 50 km per hour in 4 seconds. एक बस ने अपनी स्पीड डिक्रीज करके 80 से 50 पे आ गए. दैट मीन्स दिस इज योर u एंड दिस इज योर v. सो फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट दिस u and v in meter per second. 50 km per hour, this is your v. Calculate it and convert into meter per second. That will be 125/9 meter per second. 80 km is your u, so convert it and you will get 209 meter per second. Time is 4 seconds. What is asked is acceleration. That means a equals to v minus u upon t. Put the values and you will get as this much. This minus sign indicates that it is retarding one. That's all for today. Thank you.